What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we have a good old-fashioned cracking party. Who doesn't love those? So yeah, we got a bunch of Matchbox cars from various years. These are actually only 2021 and 2022 releases. That's a 2021, and that is a 2021. I think the rest is 2022, but yeah, got some random Matchbox cars. Need to clear off some of my carded cars, make more space. And yeah, we got some really cool models in here. Actually, I am loving that Willy's Jeep. But not going to be editing this video, so just going to be cracking these open, having a grand old time. 1970 Ford Capri, 18 of 100 for 2021 in gray. And here is our nice Ford Capri in gray, black interior, black striping, gray plastic base, painted headlights. Interesting car. Not really too familiar with this one, but take a nice look at that. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Yep, that's our Ford Capri. Subaru Sambar, 43 of 100. I think it's actually 102, but they misprinted a lot of them in 2022. Yep, this is a 2022 release. 2021 copyright. Let's get this one open. Kind of a small Subaru pickup truck. I have 3 different colors of this. And this one is one that I'll be cracking in a future video. That's a short card release. I do have 2 short cards of that one, so I'm going to free one of them. Black plastic base. All these are made in Thailand. And 6-spoke wheels on this. Kind of heavy for a small casting like this. Looks like a gray interior. Red designs, some Asian writing on it. Pretty cool truck. Let's put all these in our line of sight here. Another 2021 release, Subaru SVX. Really cool. This is to commemorate Ryu Asada. He was the Hot Wheels designer, or Mattel designer of die-cast cars that passed away. He was a really good designer. This is kind of in memory of him. So really awesome car. And very good looking vehicle. Got a couple Subarus in here mixed in. Silver 5-spoke, sport 5-spokes. A little bit of a blemish there. That rubbed right off. Clear plastic roof, or black plastic roof rather. Gray interior, black plastic base. This is actually a really good looking model. Very clean. Yeah, take that. Take a look at that. Metallic red. Asada Matchbox on the back. Cool details. Gonna skim over every one of these. Ooh, this is a good one. Nice heavy one. 36 Ford Coupe 2022. 48 of 102. I know it says 100, but it's 102 cars in that lineup of 2022. They misprinted a lot, like I said. Little protector there. Nice classic car. Classic coupe. Metallic black. That's really cool. Chrome plastic base. Is this a new model? I'm not sure if this is a new model. It says 2021 on the bottom, so I think it might be a new model. Not 100% sure. Really heavy casting. A lot of metal on this. Nice classic car. Painted details. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, if you ask me. This one's really cool. I got this at a Rite Aid. Dodge Sweptside pickup. 2022. Damaged card. Cracking this one open. This is actually a really nice pickup truck. Loving those wheels. And a gray plastic base. Loving those 50s colors. Classic 50s colors. Take a nice look at that. Really nice pickup truck. Dodge Sweptside. And just soak that in right there. Silver and turquoise striping. Bench seat. Can have no more than 3 people in that front seat when you're driving, or else you're going to get pulled over by the cops. Yellow 1971 MGB GT Coupe. And this is a 2022 release. Late 2022, I think. let's take a nice look. I have a few different colors of this one. I have green, red, and now yellow. Don't know what to think of this casting, but it's all right. Clean looking model, that's for sure. Gray plastic base, tri-blade wheels, kind of like a hatchback. Ooh, is that a black? Yep, black interior. Painted details, pretty cool. And then nice shell livery on this. This is the Renault Kangoo. And the casting is known as the 2018 Renault Kangoo Express. Have all three colors of this. This is only the second one I'm getting loose. This is a 2022 release as well. Ooh, I tore that up. That's alright. Nice little van here, like an economy, or not an economy van, what am I saying? Kind of like a commercial van here. Shell livery. This does not have an interior. Gray plastic base once again. Nice wheels. I love the shell livery. I love anything with shell livery on it. Any kind of livery or promotion on the cars. Really loving that. Looks like got in a little accident. Looks like the bumper got a little fender bender here. We had severe fender bender in a Land Rover we unboxed a couple days ago. This one isn't as bad. Really cool. Final car for this cracking party. 1948 Willy's Jeep. 2022 release. In camo. Cracked blister there. And yeah. Let's crack him open. Ooh, looks like it got a little bit of ripping on the bubble there. Or packaging, rather. That was satisfying. Satisfying sound. These have some nice suspension. I'm not going to push them up all the way, but look at this. This one goes up almost all the way. These have really flexible axles. And I've pushed them up all the way, and they weren't bent at all. Don't know how that happens. Really cool classic Willy's military Jeep. I have two different ones from like 2010 or 2011, I think. I mean, two of the same one, but one of them's from my childhood, missing a windshield. So I got duplicates of that one. I got a red one. I got a brown one in the Retro series coming up. That was a Target exclusive. And then we got this one. Nice camo color, green interior. Really cool. All right, guys. Which one was your favorite? Got a lot of cool ones in here. I'm really liking the Subaru and the Dodge. Willy's is really cool, too. I'd probably pick... It's between the... I'd say the Subaru, probably. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.